हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज़ सत्यम कुमार एंड आई एम योर इंग्लिश ट्रेनर। और आज की इस वीडियो में हम लोग क्लास 10th बिहार बोर्ड के जो इंग्लिश टेक्स्ट बुक है जिसका नाम है पैनोरमा पार्ट 2 बिहार बोर्ड क्लास 10th की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ। और मैं आज से हम लोग पढ़ने की कोशिश करेंगे क्लास 10th के इंग्लिश टेक्स्ट बुक जो बिहार बोर्ड के द्वारा दिया गया पढ़ने के लिए। आज की इस वीडियो में बात करेंगे सिलेबस ओवरव्यू और कैसे हम सिलेबस को कंप्लीट करेंगे इन कंप्लीट मैनर। ये नहीं कि थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ेंगे और छोड़ देंगे, ऐसा नहीं, पूरा कंप्लीट करेंगे। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एज यू सी व्हाट इज रिटन ओवर हियर, बिहार बोर्ड क्लास 10th इंग्लिश पैनोरमा पार्ट 2। पैनोरमा पार्ट 1 is for class 9th and panorama part 2 is for class 10th, as you know. And all the every literature has two sections, prose and poetry, because panorama is a literature. So every literature has two sections, as you know. First one prose and second one is poetry, right? So panorama part 2 has also two sections, prose as well as poetry. And if I talk about the chapters of prose, how many chapters? So in prose section 8 chapters, in poetry section 8 chapters, right? As you see, everything is written over here. In prose section, the first chapters, the pass for living. In this chapter we will get to learn how people are moving fast and doing fast something. And then we will study about me and the ecology bit. We will talk about environment. Next we have Gillu. Then we have what is wrong with Indian films. Then we have acceptance as speech. Then we have once upon a time. Then we have the unity of Indian culture. Then we have little girls wiser than men. ये सभी के सभी प्रोज के चैप्टर्स के नेम हैं. Then we have in poetry section as well, God made the country. Second, ode on solitude. Then we have polythene. What? Polythene. Then we have thinner than a crescent, right? Then we have the empty heart. What? The empty heart. Next we have koel. Then we have the sleeping potter. Then we have last Maratha, right? What? Maratha. As you see here, these all the chapters and chapters of prose as well as poetry. So sir, how to read it? कैसे हम लोग इसको पढ़ेंगे? So we'll talk about how to read it. कैसे इसको पढ़ेंगे हम लोग, इसको हम 3 स्टेप में कवर करेंगे. फर्स्ट, हम लोग चैप्टर को एक्सप्लेन करेंगे, एक्सप्लेनेशन, और देन क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर. देन वी हैव exercises as well, 4 times exercises. Then we will do objective type question, because we have a lot of different kinds of objective of each chapter, each and every chapter. The separate objective for the pace for living, the separate objectives for me and the ecology bit, as well as poetry, all chapters. In prose, all the chapters we have a separate objectives. So we will cover in 4 sections. First one is explanation. Then we will do what? Question answer. Then we will do exercises. Then we will do what? Objectives. All right. So by these 4 sections we will complete each chapter either in prose section or in poetry section. Got it? So we will start with new video with the pace for living with explanation, and we will talk about and we will get to know how the man are moving fast or doing fast as well. Everything is moving on fast. Everyone wants to do fast something, So in this chapter we will get to know different type of people, things which are going fast. Okay, so see you in the next video with the explanation of the pace for living. Okay, so thank you so much. for watching this video. And if you like this video, so subscribe, and if you like this video, so subscribe and share on on your every Facebook and your WhatsApp, WhatsApp group, status, everywhere. So try to share. Okay, thank you so much. Let's catch up tomorrow. Let's catch up, I mean, in the next video.